Bitcoin, the first and the main cryptocurrency in existence that pioneered the crypto market. It also has the largest market capitalization in the cryptoverse, with more than $1 trillion in valuation. If you've been following our masterclasses sequentially up to now, you'll remember that Bitcoin was first released in the middle of 2008 during the economic recession under a white paper entitled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Shortly after, on January 12, 2009, Bitcoin's first transaction was recorded. These were difficult times. There was a huge real estate bubble that burst in the United States, which sank the stock market and bankrupted many companies both locally and globally. Analyzing Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, we could see that there has been studies about the functionality of crypto systems since the mid-1990s, which has served as a theoretical reference in the creation of Bitcoin. Based on this white paper, Bitcoin's goal was to serve like a P2P of digital currency. This means that when a transaction occurs, it only passes between the sender and the receiver, secured by the blockchain. Being the first decentralized digital currency, Bitcoin was the fountain of knowledge and the reference point for the emergence of all cryptocurrencies that came about after its launch. The second biggest cryptocurrency, for example, Ethereum, was initially a project that was created and developed based on Bitcoin's blockchain model. It's also important to mention that Bitcoin's blockchain network is open source, meaning that anyone can access its source code and even create their own cryptocurrencies based on Bitcoin's code, making their own customizations as they see fit. That being said, nothing is perfect. Not even Bitcoin, as it has a variety of flaws. Since Bitcoin is the oldest and largest cryptocurrency, it also has the largest blockchain. The amount of transactions that can go through per minute has actually slowed down as the amount of individuals using Bitcoin has continued to increase. Bitcoin Cash, for example, was developed to reduce the amount of transactions that needed to be verified, as well as the increasing size of data contained within each block. Alright, well, let's summarize what we've learned so far. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to exist and is considered to be a digital currency or virtual money. Its creator, the famously anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, was a person or group of people who came up with the white paper for Bitcoin in 2008. Bitcoin was developed using free open source code, allowing anyone to access it and create alternative currencies in order to solve another problem or add something new to the blockchain. There are no regulatory bodies who control Bitcoin, as it is 100% decentralized, although in recent news, some large publicly traded crypto platforms are actually pushing for regulation. Our next masterclass will cover everything you need to know about altcoins, stablecoins, and we'll go through how mining works as well. We'll see you on the other side.